Now, student, this is exercise 4.2. First question is classify the following curve as open or closed. Under it, some curves are given and we have to tell that which one is open or which one is closed. First, under it is part A. Now, it is in the shape of Z. If it is and it is start from one point and ending on another point, then it is an open curve. Okay, so it is open curve. Part B is it is starting and ending on same point, as we can see. And if you see inside, so it is not open from anywhere, so it is a closed curve. Part C is now it is starting and ending on two different points and open from this side, so it is open curve. Okay, because there is space. Part D is it is given in triangular figure. It is closed by all three sides, so it is a closed figure. Okay, so it is closed curve. And next is this figure E is in trapezium shape. It is also made up of 4 line segment and is closed from all 4 sides. Okay, so it is also a closed curve. Now here we classified the curves as open and closed. Okay, now move on to next question, and it is draw a rough diagram to illustrate the figure. Now here we will draw rough diagram of any open curve and closed curve. First we will draw open curve. Under it, starting and ending point should be different. Suppose N is an open curve, or like this. Like this you can see. They both are open curve. Okay. Like this, it is that open portion. So these are open curve. Like this, let us draw closed curve. We can draw any figure, but it should be closed from all sides. Now this, it is closed from all sides. So these are our closed and open curve. Now here we can make this quadrilateral also. Students, here you can draw any other figures also. Okay, but now third question. Draw any polygon and shade its interior. Here we will draw a polygon and we will shade its interior part. Polygons are simple closed curve made up of line segments only. Okay. For example, this triangle is a polygon. We also can draw a quadrilateral. Okay. Student, you need to draw it with the help of ruler and pencil only. Don't use pen. Okay. I'm telling you, don't use pen. Use pencil for any of the diagram. We can draw any other polygon of different number of sides also. Now we are shading it. Now with the help of ruler you will shade its interior part. Okay. Okay. You can make other type of shapes also. Now student, our question number 4 is consider the given figure and answer the question. Is it a curve? Okay. After seeing the figure, we will answer these questions. First is this figure is similar to a star and it is curve also. And question is it a curve? So yes, it is a curve. So this is our answer. Yes, it is a curve. Next is it closed? So yes, it is closed curve because no space there which is open. Okay. So yes, it is closed curve. Okay, so this is a closed curve also. Now move on to question number 5. Illustrate, if possible, each one of the following with a rough diagram. We have to draw a diagram if it is possible in given condition. First is a closed curve that is not a polygon. Now students, suppose we are drawing a circle. Okay. It is a closed curve circle. Okay. Circle is a closed curve, but it is not a polygon. Why this is not a polygon? Because it is not made up of line segments. Okay. Next is part B, an open curve made up of entirely of line segments. Now, so this M. Okay, let me draw M. M is an open curve made up of line segments only. And also let us see this Z and W. W. It is also an open curve and made up of line segments only. Here we only need to draw one, so this is our figure, which is an open curve made up of entirely of line segments. Okay. Now, let us move to third. Under it is polygon with two sides. Here we have to draw a polygon of only two sides. Firstly, student, it is not possible to draw such diagram. So we will write not possible. Why is this not possible? Because whenever we draw any polygon, so it should be closed also. And with only two sides, it is not possible. Dear student, remember this, that for making a polygon, we need minimum 3 sides. We can't draw a polygon of sides less than 3. For this, we should have sides 3 or more than 3. This is the end of our exercise with this question. Okay. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Okay.